Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack from our design team to you. This week, Kenny and his team have created a stunning author layout pack with 7 different pages. And these pages will provide everything your design will need to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Now let's start by looking at the different pages that this author layout pack comes with. So you have 7 different layouts. We have a home page, a landing page, an events page, a shop page, a contact page, a blog page, and an about page. So let's just scroll through these really quick so you can see what they look like once they're installed on a WordPress website. And as you can see, obviously there are a lot of book covers included, which you can easily substitute with your own. So there's also this very cool events page that you can modify to your own needs. And suppose you want to change something specific about a layout or change it entirely, you simply have to go to that page, enable the visual builder. And over here, for example, you can change the image that's being used as your book cover by just uploading another image. You can modify each and every one of the design options within the visual builder. And of course, you can also change all of the content that's being provided or simply get rid of some sections that you don't want to use. And of course, you can modify all of these book covers as well. And if you want to change a layout entirely, you simply have to click on this icon at the bottom, go to the plus icon, scroll down your pre-made layouts until you come across the author layout pack over here, and you will see all of the layouts that are included. So for each one of these layouts, you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. And over here you can see what it looks like once it's installed on a website before you actually use it for your own website. So if you decide to use this layout, you simply have to click on the green button instead. Now within the live stream use case tutorial, we're going to show you how to add book previews to your page, and I'll show you what that looks like. So over here I have the home page, and if I click on this book cover over here, I'll have this book preview, which I can read through, and it's responsive as well. And if I scroll down this page, I have this second book preview that's just added within the page itself. So make sure that you tune in tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern time for our use case live stream. See you there. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. We hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course, make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.